Need to add a new page in Word instantly? Here's the fastest way. If your document is stuck and won't create a new page, use this quick fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add a new page in Microsoft Word on Windows. You'll learn both the shortcut method and the menu method. First, place your cursor where you want the new page to begin. Press Ctrl plus Enter to insert a page break immediately. Word creates a clean new page with one shortcut. If you prefer the menu, go to the Insert tab. Click Page Break. This adds a new page at the exact cursor position. If nothing happens, check that your cursor is not inside a header or a table. For long documents, page breaks give you full control over layout. Avoid pressing Enter multiple times. It can break formatting later. Page break is the correct method for clean professional documents. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If this helped you learn how to add a new page in Word on Windows, a like really supports the channel. And if you want more fast tutorials on Word, Excel and Office tools, consider subscribing.